Welcome, darling, back to Wonderland. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to achieve this waterfall braid. Combing through the hair, eliminating any tangles, we are going to start with either a side or center part. From that part, I am going to take a small section of hair, divide that into 3 sections, and we are going to begin a French braid stitch, taking each and every section over the middle sections of hair. Then I am going to take very small sections of hair on the upper right section and place that over the middle. And then instead of including that lower section of hair over the center, I am going to drop that down and take a small section of hair right beside it and take its place. I am going to continue this stitch until I have gotten to the back of the crown of my head, and then I am going to complete the look by finishing off with a braid. Starting the exact same process on the other side, this may be a lot easier for you to see the detail of each and every stitch. So taking a small section of hair, divide that into 3 sections, then start the stitch by a French braid stitch, taking each of those outer sections and placing those over the middle section. We are only going to include a little piece of hair from the top section and place that over the middle section, dropping those lower sections down and picking up small strands of hair right next to that line and place that over the middle section. We are going to continue this all the way to the back of our head and then finish it off with a braid. Spread apart some of those braided sections for a more effortlessly done and voluptuous braid. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Be sure to like this video if you enjoy scenic hair tutorials in the middle of wilderness, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another adventure. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time in Wonderland.